YOLO. Uh, I just got done streaming. I've been wanting to make an app for a while now, and I've been procrastinating. It's getting up to a level where I'm wondering if I should even work on it because, brother, like, it's something's got to change. Something's got to change, you know? So I thought I'll start documenting myself making this app, and hopefully, this will give me the much needed push that I need to finally push this out, put it out in the market. Market? Oh my god. I mean, out in the real world. Out in the real world. That sounds more like it. There's no market. I don't think there's a market for this. So that's the plan. That's the plan, you know. But yeah, with that out of the way, that's kind of it, you know. Yeah. There are a couple of things that I guess I just want to say it out loud, just for my sake and for anyone who's watching. So the steps to make a mobile app, which is what I will be working on. You first have to decide what the idea is. Then you have to figure out what it's gonna look like before you actually start coding it up, because if you start coding it up first, you won't have a reference to go off of, right? Like, if you don't know what it's supposed to look like, you're just kind of throwing everything on the wall and hoping something sticks, right? So it's better to have like a picture or an idea of what the app you're building should look like. And once you're done with these steps, all you gotta do now is the biggest and the hardest and the longest part and the hair pulling part, which is coding. So that's the final step. But these are kind of the steps. These are the things that you kind of have to do. And yeah. You guys don't know, but I was yapping for about 2 minutes and didn't really realize that the mic was muted. So I guess we're going to do it all over again. So this is what I have at the moment for the design. And oh shit. So this is what I got for now, right? This is the design of the app. This is the landing page, login, sign up, all the weird jargon, which I probably won't be adding to the app, to be honest, in the MVP. I just want to get like something out. When I say something, I mean a usable app that does what it needs to do. You know, it just like performs the basic features of the app and why the app was made for. So for example, the goal of the app in this case is to help people figure out how much sun exposure they should be getting every day, and that changes based on information about your location, your skin type, which is going to determine the right amount of sun exposure, and then just a dashboard, right, just to display what time of the day would be the most optimal, how much sun exposure would be the most optimal, and just UV index throughout the day. And in case you're planning on staying out for longer than needed or longer than optimal, maybe I could display some precautions you could take to reduce the amount of sun exposure. And yeah, that's kind of the idea. I kind of want it to be short and sweet, not too many features. It just does couple of things and it does it right. And for now, I think that's what I want to put out. Yeah, I kind of forgot how to run the app. So just trying to figure that out. So I have a blank page coming up. that's a progress. So the first step is kind of having this page coded up. I promise I'm not procrastinating, but I think I'm gonna go on a run first and then come back and code again, because it's getting late. I gotta get my run in before it gets too late and I get kidnapped. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Just came back from a run. That was a good sweaty workout. All right, party people. this is the progress we've made so far today. We got the first page working. Next step is clicking on Get Started button. I want to take the user on this page where they can fill out their location and skin type, which we will use to calculate how much sun exposure they would need and then navigate down to the dashboard. So that would be for next time. Because it's about 9:03, it's getting my bedtime. I feel like there's a change that I want to make, because in the page where I want to ask the user for their location and skin type, I feel like I want to let the user know beforehand that the reason I'm asking that information, you know. So once you click Get Started on the dashboard, we can send the user to this page where we explain that we're gonna need their location and skin type and the reasons why we need that, which will probably go here. Dude, this UI is so trash. And after this page, we can send them to this page where we actually get the information from them. And we can finally take them to the dashboard where we display the information that this app is being built for. Alright, I think I'm happy with this page. It took me a while to figure out what to say in the right manner, but I think we're good for this. I think it's a very professional way of saying that we need their info and why we need their info. So I think I'm good. I think I'm good on this. I've got a placeholder for the user info page, which is this one. So let's see if it works. Get Started takes us on this page. Clicking back will take us back on here, back to the dashboard, and clicking next will take us on. Okay, awesome. So this is the placeholder for now. I was thinking of using this plugin that I came across. It's called Expo Location. What this would do is basically the plugin will send you a pop-up message. So kind of like that, you know, exactly like that. Instead of typing it in, a user could just click on allow. I think we're gonna do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. All right, you guys. I think that's it for the video this time. We do have one more page to make and figure out the right API to use and use that with the information that the user gives to calculate the next value. I don't have a lot of time to code that up and edit the video and post it by today because it's 7 p.m. and I really want to post something by today. So the rest of the video will be out next Sunday, and I'll see you guys every Sunday.